Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your GoodBudget account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your GoodBudget application from your app drawer and also make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged into the main home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, select Manage Household. Now from the displayed option, you can choose the Close Household option if you want to close your household. To clear out your data from your GoodBudget account, go ahead and tap on Manage All Preferences. This will then take you to goodbudget.com website, from where you will need to select Clear All My Data option. Clearing your data will delete all of your transaction information, which will set your envelope and account balances to 0. If you want to continue delete all of your data, select Yes, please delete all my data option at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your data from your account. If you want to close your household, simply tap on Close Household option and then go through the information. If you continue closing your household, you will lose access to your envelopes, accounts and transactions. You will never log in on the web again and transactions. The action cannot be undone, so make sure that you want to do this. If you want to continue, tap on Yes, I will never use my data again and tap on the same button in red on the next pop-up. Soon after you do that, you will be able to close your household as well. You will now be logged out of your account and you have now successfully deleted your GoodBudget account in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.